Hi, I'm Matt Jones. Welcome back to another video. This one is on jump strategy subtraction. Now, in our last video, we covered what jump strategy is. It is a mental strategy taught in stage 2 that can be used for addition or subtraction. This video is going to focus on using jump strategy to solve subtraction equations. Let's take this equation as an example. 87 minus 32. Now, we said in our addition version of this video that to solve jump strategy equations, we need to start with our larger number and then work with our addend, or in this case, work with the number that we are taking away, or the number that we are subtracting. So our larger number is our 87. Now, because we are taking away or subtracting numbers from our original number, taking away from our 87, we're going to work backwards on a number line. Our numbers are going to get smaller, therefore we start at the right and move to the left. I'm going to put my larger number here, my 87. Now, my next step is I need to break my smaller number into its place value parts. 32 I can represent as 3 lots of 10 and 2 lots of 1. Therefore, I need to take away 3 jumps of 10, or 3 lots of minus 10, and then take away 2 jumps of 1, minus 2. So let's get to it. 1, 2, 3. Like we said before, it is so important that you show the value of each jump, as well as where you land after each jump. So here, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, 87 minus 10, 77, 67, 57. I've now taken away my 3 jumps of 10, or I've taken away 30 from my 87. I now need to take away my 2 jumps of 1. 1, 2, again showing the value of each jump, again showing where I'm landing after each jump. I've now taken away my 30, my 3 jumps of 10, I've taken away my 2 jumps of 1, and so I've taken away my entire 32 from my original 87. And so therefore we can say 87 minus 32 equals 55. The strategy for solving larger subtraction equations using jump strategy is the same as when we solve smaller subtraction equations using jump strategy. Let's take this as an example. 564 minus 402. Now, once again, we need to start with our larger number and then take away our smaller. So let's get right to it. We can see our 564 is our larger number, and so that is where we're going to start. Again, we start on the right-hand side because we're going to be taking away numbers, so we're going to get smaller. So just as the number line runs, we have our smaller numbers to the left. Now I can break 402 up into 4 lots of 100. Now here there are no 10s, so I don't need to worry about jumps of 10. And 2 jumps of 1. Nice and easy. I come in, I start with my largest place value position first, my hundreds. I'm going to take away 4 jumps of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, showing the value of each jump. Really important so that you don't get lost or confused. 564, 464, 364, 264, 164. In this example, we do not have any 10s, and so we do not need to take away any jumps of 10. So we move straight on to our next smallest place value position, which in this case is our 1s. I need to take away 2 jumps of 1. 1, 2, again, showing the value of each jump, again showing where we land after each jump. I now go back and look at my equation. I've taken away my 4 jumps of 100 here. There were no 10s, so I did not need to do any jumps of 10. I've taken away my 2 jumps of 1, and so I've completed my equation. I can say, therefore, 564 minus 402 is equal to 162. Thank you so much for your time.